Alright, so we're working on a gas fireplace, and it's a pretty simple setup. You got your pilot light on there, which obviously is working. And this particular setup just has a switch, an on and off switch. And if I turn it on, there's no fire to the gas fireplace. The pilot light stays on, and usually what that means is that you've got a bad thermal pile. I'll show you a better image of that once we turn off the gas. But basically that thermal pile heats up enough that it sends a small electrical signal to this switch, which opens the valve to your gas line. So I'll turn off this flame on the pilot light and show you what the thermal pile looks like and how you can clean it to see if that'll fix the problem. Alright, so I turned off the gas and let it cool off a little bit. But the thermal pile is this piece right here. And if you get a look at it, you can see there's some buildup from previous use. It just builds up a little carbon, some powder, black and white. And what that can do is prevent your pilot light that's on that thermal pile won't heat it up enough to generate the small amount of electricity it needs to open up the gas valve. So we're just going to take just a regular steel wire brush, and while I'm in here I'll clean under and all around it and get as much of that buildup off, and then we're going to try it again and see if we've got enough of an electrical current to actually turn the rest of the fireplace on. Another thing you might want to try to do is just get some sandpaper, not a heavy grip, but just wrap it around. Gives you a little more flexibility to get in there than this brush does. So keep working at it till you got it pretty good clean, and then try it again. Alright, so got the pilot light going again, and I'm not sure if you can see much of a difference, but usually when you clean this area up from all that carbon, you get a better flame on there. That yellow flame was a little bit bigger before I cleaned it up, and that one's not the one that heats up the thermal pile anyway, but if I really wanted to get that to be all a nice blue flame, I just need to get in there and probably tear it apart and clean all the parts real good. Alright, so we got it all cleaned up. We'll test it out here with this switch. It lights right up. Now I'm going to show you something else that I had to do, because cleaning that thermal pile wasn't enough. It wasn't reacting when I would hit the switch, but as you can see, it's pretty dusty down here, so I need to clean it some more. But where your electrical connections are, I just came down here and kind of cleaned up the connectors just real quick, because there was quite a bit of dust on them. This is the fan over here, and so you get a lot of air circulation here, and people who lived here before had a lot of pets. But after I cleaned all that up, no problems. Works just like new. So let me set the logs back in, put the glass on, and show you what she looks like. Alright, so we got it all put back together with the glass. I just actually turned it off. You can hear the fan running, and it's blowing out the top here so that you heat up your room. But it's working just like it should. When I hit the switch, lights right up. Again, if your pilot light stays on and the fireplace just won't turn on, it's because of that thermal pile. If your pilot light won't stay on, that's a whole different issue. So these steps might not help you there. But hopefully this little video help somebody out there save some money. No sense in buying a brand new gas insert if you can just do a couple quick fixes yourself. If you like this video and it was helpful, like and subscribe. Have a great day.